Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BG. Today I'm taking a look at the C2 Summit Detour stainless steel cutlery set. So getting it open, just the package and the set itself. So what you get the cutlery, which is a magnetized stopper. So that's this. It's gonna allow you to slide those three things on cutlery set in there and make sure they don't clatter while you're walking. So first up, the nice knife. So serrated. I like the shape. Looks pretty good. Don't know how helpful this will be since I eat a lot of just dehydrated, rehydrated food. So the fork, pretty long, a little milled out handle there. Four prong with a little bit of curve to it, as you can see. Interesting design. And then finally, a nice large spoon. So this is definitely going to be the workhorse for me because I eat a lot of rehydrated food, so I just scoop it in my mouth. And try not to taste it too much, because I'm hungry at the end of the day. So this is 4.8 ounces. It is high quality stainless steel. How you place it back in there, I don't think it matters. You just got to put it back in there. And it is magnetized, so when I was cutting it open, I used my knife on it and it was sticking to it. So I have a trek coming up to the Himalayas soon. This is definitely going to be what I take. It's lightweight, fairly lightweight, doesn't rattle, pretty sturdy, not a whole lot of bend to it, so I'm not worried about getting broken. So looking forward to trying these out on that trek. So thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.